Good morning, guys. Time for a new video of steam trains. Then the version of steam trains are the first type of train. When I said train, I meant steam train, everyone. So, tank engines came second. So, tank engines actually need more cool than tank engines. So that's what they have in the fridge. Not like any reason, just storage. So, trains actually need two people instead of one. Fireman and a driver, obviously. Who drives something without a driver? Huh? So, anyways. So, tank engines. Steam trains also need coal, not cool, coal. Don't get confused. So, let's continue. Anyway, these type of steam trains. Also, I forgot to tell you, subscribe to Static Place. So, anyways. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you had a nice day. Bye.